We are not in Australia! No, we are not in Australia. We're in the parking garage of the downtown Fargo Radisson where we spent the night. Just because we need to get to work to do our radio show. Am I drooling?
A little bit.
No, God, it's probably frozen. Happy Thanksgiving. Ready to go outside into the blizzard? Let's go! Are you ready, Kyle?
Ready.
You ready? Man, minus 29. Winds are at 45 miles an hour. A complete, total blizzard whiteout. I don't know why we're not walking the block and a half to our 64 Broadway studios. It's beyond me, but here we go. Ready to go? We are now going into one of the most intense storms of the 21st century. Oh my God, get a look at this. We can barely see. Kyle, get the camera out here. Holy, how are we gonna drive in this? This is insane. Oh, I hope my family's okay. They're alone on Thanksgiving morning. This was just like yesterday. There's no storm. Look. What the hell? There's no storm. Well, we did get good room service.